guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be reviewing this beautiful highlighted curly unit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and share this video, because this helps me in the YouTube algorithm and helps get my videos out and helps people join our tribe. And we want our tribe to grow. We want to be happy over here. We want people to experience, to grow, to learn, and that's what I'm all about. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will have all the details for this unit listed down below. Now let's get into this video. Hey guys, so I'm super excited about bringing you guys this video, because this video will be my first little ambassador job that I have with a wig company. So I am officially a ambassador for LUVME hair, and this is my first unit that I will be bringing to you guys. So I purchased this unit from LUVME hair. It is a mixed color unit. It is curly as well. This is what it looks like. It's 12 inches and it is 180 density. It came medium Swiss lace with 4 combs and adjustable strap, so it can be worn glueless. In this video, I will actually be wearing it glueless as well. It is 13 by 4 customization, and I already went ahead and cut the lace off. And so normally in my previous videos, you guys have seen me use foundation on the inside of my wig installs, but I was at the hair store and I found this lace tint by Magic Collection in medium brown, and that is actually what I have in here. So it is cheaper than using my expensive foundation, but it also looks very skin-like. So it does come in different shades. It comes in medium brown, light brown, and dark brown for the different shades if you are looking for those. I will try to see if I can find this on Amazon or a link for you guys, but again, like I said, I bought that from the beauty store, so hopefully there is one. But I am super excited about trying this unit on for you guys. I'm super excited about working with LUVME hair for the first time. I got a lot of goodies, packaging as well. So I will have a video of that for you guys as well, so you guys will be able to see the goodies that I have right here. But so let's go ahead and try her on. Let's see what she's looking like. If you watched my previous wig installs, you know I like to cut my lace off before I actually lay my units down. Okay, so far I can already tell that you do not need to use those adjustable straps in the back. That one strap is big. I mean, it's tight enough, let me tell you. I don't feel like you need any combs for this unit either. So this is what it's looking like when I first try it on. Again, I've already cut the lace off of it like I said. So the only problem that I have sometimes with cutting my lace off first is that sometimes the lace will roll and I'll have to like unroll it, I guess you say. It'll fold under, that's what I mean, and I have to unfold it. So but that's the only issue I run into with cutting my lace before. It is just easier for me to cut my lace before and then lay my units down versus cutting them on my head. For some reason, I don't know, I just feel a little, I don't know, I feel off. I feel a little like I'm gonna stab myself in the eye when I try to cut my lace while it's on. So I just don't do that. Okay, so this is what she's looking like. She's pretty. I'm trying to think if I want to go baby hair or not. What do you guys think? Do you guys think we should do baby hair with this unit, or should we just let her be? Okay, so I decided not to add any baby hairs, but to pin the front back. And I like it. I really love this unit. I am obsessed with this color. This is my first time ever wearing a highlighted wig, so I really didn't know how I would feel about it, but I wanted to step out of my comfort zone and try something new. And I really like how this turned out. I really like this. I will definitely be ordering more. I feel like I should have got it in a longer inch. Like, I feel like probably 14, 16 inches. Like here, oh, she would be giving. You know, she's giving, but she would be giving if I got her in like 16 inches. I mean, you can't tell me nothing, but you really wouldn't be able to tell me nothing then. I decided not to add any baby hairs, but to leave it, you know, natural. Leave the hairline the way it is because of how I have it styled. I don't feel like it needs baby hairs. But if you're a baby hair girl, go ahead, add your baby hair, sister. I'm not jealous. I promise I'm not. And I am rooting for you. And, you know, if you are a baby hair girl, comment down below. Let me know. Some people like baby hair, some people don't. It just depends on the unit for me. Curly units, I don't always feel like they need them. And this is one of those, I don't actually feel like it needs it. But if you want it to be like a little bit more dramatic, you definitely could add the baby hairs to it. So don't be surprised if you guys are checking out my Instagram and you see me being extra and you see a little swoopity swoop of baby hair. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, my Instagram is _palette therapy. You do not want to miss my posts, my pictures. Come on, y'all. Instagram gets the tea first. So you want to follow me on Instagram and you want to follow me on TikTok. Both of them are _palette therapy. So yeah, I really like this unit. It's really pretty. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it. Why? Because sharing is caring. If you like the vibe, join the tribe and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Thursday and you don't want to miss them. If you want the details to this beautiful unit, I will have it listed down below as well. And you can use my personal discount code PALETTE to get 20% off any unit that you purchase from LUVME Hair. I will also have my discount code listed below. As always, thank you for the support and I will catch you in my next video.